Most people are using AI completely wrong. They open ChatGPT, ask random questions, generate a few paragraphs, and think that's productivity. But the people moving the fastest right now don't use one AI tool. They use an AI stack. One tool for writing, one for coding, one for research, one for search, one for visuals. And once you build the right stack, you suddenly start doing 10 hours of work in one. Today, I'm going to show you the only AI tools you actually need in 2026. Not 50 tools, not overhyped garbage. Just 5 AI tools that dominate their category and completely change the way you work. Let's begin. Claude. This is the AI I use when I actually need quality. Because unlike most AI models, Claude understands context insanely well. You can literally give it an entire code base, a massive PDF, or a long conversation, and it still remembers everything. Which means better answers, better writing, and dramatically better code. If ChatGPT feels generic, Claude feels thoughtful. It writes cleaner content, explains things better, and honestly, it sounds the most human. For scripting videos, writing emails, analyzing documents, or debugging complex code, Claude is probably the best all-around AI right now, especially because of the massive 200,000 context window. Most people completely underestimate how powerful that is. Now the second tool, Cursor. And this one honestly feels illegal. Cursor is basically VS Code, with an AI engineer built inside it. Instead of manually coding everything, you literally talk to your editor. You can say, fix this bug, refactor this file, create the backend, explain this error, and Cursor just does it. It reads your entire project, understands your files, and edits multiple files at once. The craziest part? After using Cursor for a week, normal coding feels painfully slow. This tool alone can make beginner developers look insanely productive. If you code, or want to learn coding in 2026, you need Cursor. Now let's talk about the most underrated AI tool on this list, NotebookLM. This thing is ridiculous. Because unlike normal AI, NotebookLM only answers using your sources, which means zero hallucinations. You upload PDFs, documents, research papers, YouTube videos, and NotebookLM becomes an AI expert on your information. Imagine studying for exams and having an AI tutor that only uses your course material. Or uploading an entire business report and instantly asking, what are the biggest risks? Summarize the key points. What trends matter most? And it gets even crazier. NotebookLM can generate an entire podcast from your documents. Seriously. You upload notes, and Google turns them into a realistic AI conversation. Completely free. This is one of the most futuristic tools I've ever used. Now, Perplexity. This is what Google should have become years ago. Because instead of giving you 10 blue links, SEO spam, ads, and useless websites, Perplexity gives you a direct answer instantly, with sources, and it searches the live web, which means the information is always current. Need the latest AI news? Market research? Programming documentation? Product comparisons? Perplexity is ridiculously fast. And the deep research feature feels like having a personal research assistant. Instead of opening 20 browser tabs, you get a full research report in seconds. Honestly, once you start using Perplexity, normal Google search feels outdated. And finally, Midjourney, the king of AI images. This tool can generate visuals that look better than actual professional photography. You type one sentence, and seconds later, you have thumbnails, product shots, cinematic art, concept designs, branding visuals, anything. And the quality is insane. This is the tool that completely changed YouTube thumbnails, design, marketing, and digital content creation. What used to take hours in Photoshop now takes minutes, sometimes seconds. And the people who learn this early will have a massive advantage. So let's recap. Claude, for writing and thinking. Cursor, for coding faster than ever. NotebookLM, for research from your own documents. Perplexity, for live web intelligence. And Midjourney, for visuals that look unreal. That's it. Not 100 AI tools. Not useless AI directories. Just 5 tools that together create an insanely powerful workflow. And honestly, this is probably the minimum AI stack everyone should learn in 2026. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to TechCrafted, and I'll see you in the next one.